Now, how exactly does one divide polynomials? Well, it's actually pretty basic. All you need to do is set up a long division equation. In this case, we're going to use x squared plus 8x plus 5 and divide it by x plus 2. Now you pick out that first term in the divisor and see how it fits into the first term of the dividend. Between x and x squared, we can put x up top, and then we multiply x plus 2 by x, and then put that final expression on the bottom. Now you subtract. And as you can see here, it follows the same pattern as regular long division, as you subtract and then you bring down the next term. Now you repeat steps. X goes into 6x 6 times, and we also take into account positive and negative, so if it's negative 6x, you put in negative 6. Now you multiply the divisor by 6, put it on the bottom, and then subtract. As you can see here, we're left with negative 7, and x does not fit in the negative 7, so therefore we have to create a remainder. The remainder is created when you take the constant, which in this case is negative 7, and put it over the divisor, which is x plus 2. And that should result in your final equation of x plus 6 minus 7 over x plus 2. That is how you divide polynomials using long division. Next, we have synthetic division, which is easier to use but less versatile. This time, we're going to use a dividend of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. And a divisor of x plus 1. We're going to get rid of this and then draw out the actual table. So in this case, we're going to draw out an L-shaped table and then translate the coefficients down. If a variable has no coefficient, then its coefficient is 1. And if a constant is there, then we use the constant's value. Now for the divisor, we set it equal to 0 and then solve for x. So if x plus 1 equals 0, then x equals negative 1. Afterwards, we put the negative 1 on the side. Now you bring down the first coefficient and begin the process of multiplying and adding. When you're multiplying, you multiply the number on the bottom by the value on the side. 1 multiplies a negative 1, adds to 3 to make 2. 2 multiplies a negative 2, which adds to 3 to make 1. And 1 multiplies a negative 1, which adds with 1 to make 0. Now, if that 0 is a number with an actual value, it becomes a remainder, which I showed earlier. Now, the terms of the equation should bump down the power of x, turn it from a cubic equation to a quadratic equation. Now, you also translate your coefficients to form the final equation, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. That is how you do synthetic division. Thank you for watching. Please, I would love some feedback in the comments to know what I'm doing right or wrong. And have a good day, y'all.